Hi, my name is Jesse from GMS Instruments, and today I will show you the CMT Ballast Water Test Kit Type 2. In this video I will show you what's inside, how to use the ballast water kit and why it is so important that you have at least one kit on board of your vessel. So stay tuned. So, the ballast water test kit. A hot topic in the maritime industry, and that all because of an IMO convention held almost 20 years ago. In 2004, the IMO Ballast Water Convention was held, and according to IMO estimates, ships carry around 3 to 5 billion tons of ballast water globally each year. During the convention, new ballast water regulations were adopted in 2004 with the aim of protecting the maritime environment from the transfer of harmful organisms in ballast water carried around by ships. The convention entered into force on the 8th September 2017, and from 2024, all ships are required to have approved ballast water management treatment system, according to the D2 standard. Yes, you heard it correctly. A D2 standard is mandatory in 2024. But what is a D2 standard, and is there also a D1 standard? Well, surprisingly, yes there is. The D1 standard requires ships to carry out ballast water exchange and specifies the volume of water that must be replaced. This standard involves exchanging the water from the last dock port with new seawater. This must happen at a minimum of 200 nautical miles from shore. The D2 standard is stricter and requires the use of an approved ballast water treatment system on board. The system must ensure that only small levels of possible creatures remain left in the water after the treatment, to minimize the environmental impact of the shipping. And that's where the CMT Ballast Water Test Kits come into place. Newly built ships will be required to install and comply with the D2 standard from the 8th of September 2017, once the convention has entered into force. Existing ships, depending on the renewal of their ship certificates, until the 8th of September 2024, by which time all ships will have to comply with the D2 standard. CMT's unique ballast water test kit is an IMO and United States Coast Guard approved D2 type test. This kit comes in 3 different types. A type 1, which tests for different kinds of bacteria. The type 2, which is additionally equipped with salinity refractometer to measure salt in seawater, and 2 zooplankton filter tests. One test is for plankton starting at 10 micrometers and the second one for plankton bigger than 50 micrometers. Finally, there's the test kit 3, which includes all the above, except that in this test, zooplankton will not be measured with filters but with a digital handheld fluorometer. That's the CMT Ballast Water Test Kit for now. If you have any questions about the kit, what's included or how to use it, please reach out to GMS Instruments or leave your question in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.